Foodie. Today we're going to make a pretty simple, quick chicken salad, but it's got a lot of different spices and therefore full of lots of flavor. To start with, I've taken 2 chicken breasts, fully cooked, and then chopped into bite-sized pieces. So we got our 2 chicken breasts that I have already cooked and chopped up. Mine just boiled. You can use grilled chicken. 1/4 of a teaspoon of celery salt. 1/4 a teaspoon of curry powder. 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin. 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground coriander. I'm also going to use 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground turmeric. I've got a good big full tablespoon of fresh minced or diced dill. A little over 1/4 of a cup or full 1/4 a cup of chopped walnuts. You could use pecans if you like pecans. About a tablespoon of sweet relish. I got about a 1/2 tablespoon of dried chopped onion. For recipes like this, I like the dried onion better than the fresh one. So in this I've got slightly less than a 1/2 cup of dried cranberries or craisins. Going to add just a little bit of sweetness. I've got some just regular yellow mustard, and you can add that to taste. I've got like maybe a teaspoon there. And I'm going to start with slightly less than a cup of mayonnaise. Or if you prefer Miracle Whip, I think with the relish and the cranberries in there, that's going to add enough sweetness that I don't want Miracle Whip. So now we just stir all that together. Final product. So the chicken salad is finished. I put it in the refrigerator for a little bit just to get it cooled off and to soften up the dried onions that was in there. Now a couple ways you can serve this. Here we just have it on a simple little salad with a radish garnish. But what I love to do to really flavor it up is I put a little drizzle of balsamic vinegar. Just adds that, oh, what a punch it adds to it. That's plenty. Or another way you can serve it. What I've done here is spread it on an open face piece of bread, stick it under the broiler for about 5 minutes. Now you've got a nice open-faced, warm chicken salad sandwich. You could take this open face at the same time you're broiling that, stick another piece of bread with some cheese on it, melt the cheese. You could put the 2 on top of each other and have a nice, warm, grilled sandwich. So let's try some of this. This is my favorite with the balsamic vinegar.
Good?
Oh, I love that. Balsamic vinegar just brings out everything in this. I could taste the crunch of the walnuts, sweetness of the dried cranberries, all the spices in there soaked in good. You're going to love it. Thank you. Now we have lunch is served. Catherine?
Yes?
Give it a try. Oh, you've also got some pickled vegetables we made the other day.
Yes, that was delicious.
So there you have it. Pretty quick, easy chicken salad. That's not part of just your normal chicken salad, a little bit zipped up a little bit. And a couple different ways to serve it. If you like this, check out other recipes on Foodie, Fun with Food, for more recipes and some restaurant reviews.